Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on Bitcoin, I think it's very clear this is at 1, 2, 3, and we are very likely in a wave 4 right now. We do have a 38% fib bounce, which possibly could be where this ends a correction. I was still thinking it was more likely to go down to the 50%, but we'll have to keep an eye on it. If we can prove that that's the end of a trend, then that probably will be the beginning of a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. So like I was saying, if we can identify the end of this trend right here on sort of time frames, which is most likely a wave C of an A, B, C correction, then that would be the end of a correction and the continuation of the uptrend. But we have to be careful. I was actually thinking that it was more likely to go down to the 50% because we got a little rally-based rally right here that hasn't been hit yet. I still think it's more likely it's going to end up looking something like this to end the wave C. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it has been going up for a few days now, but we definitely don't have a break of structure. We definitely don't have a higher low or anything telling us that we have the end of this downtrend. So as of right now, I am definitely looking at this move down as a possible correction to this move up. I'm definitely looking at my Fibonacci retracement levels for a possible reversal to the downside, just like I was showing on the weekly time frame. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we do have a little bit of a double top right here. And if it goes down, if it breaks structure, then it probably is likely the end of a correction, and it probably is likely the continuation of the downtrend. If it does not break structure, then and if you are a sort of time frame trader, say trading like the minute time frames, then you probably should continue to look for longs. It does kind of seem more likely that it would go up to maybe touch the 61.8 before it really did go down. So, taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, as long as you pay attention to your structure closely, you should be able to tell what's happening right here. If it goes down, if it closes below structure really well, then I would definitely at that point start looking for pullback entries to go short. If it doesn't do that, and you are a sort of time frame trader, then I would definitely continue to look for logs. It seems like it would at least go up to the 61.8, and you know what? If this really is in a correction and it really is reversing up on the higher time frames, you should be looking for longs anyways, at least until you get a break of structure, which we definitely don't have yet. So definitely keep an eye on your structure. Wait and for a break of structure before you become a seller. If it happens, then great. Look for sells at pullbacks. If not, then continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.